and welcome everybody. In this video we will walk you through the steps of posting a job, either if you have anything VertexFX related you want it to be developed, or if you are a developer who search for extra income. As it says here, the steps are easy. First, we need to sign up, and second, we will post a project and get bids on it. Now, if you register as buyer, you'll get $200 bonus in your account you could use in your future strategy development projects. Registration is very easy. Just fill your personal information and choose payment method. Choose the free one, of course. Let me register and get back to you. I finished registering. Now I will show you how to post a project. Click on Post a Project tab, then Post New Project. Fill the requirement and details about your project. Let me fill them and get back to you. Here you can choose how to promote your project, like featured project, urgent, or if you want to hide the details of the project. After you finish, click on Save Project. Afterwards, you shall find it under My Projects here. You can edit it or delete it. Let me show you how to make a freelancer account and bid on projects. From the main sign-up menu, we select freelancer this time. Select the free plan and continue. Fill your account information, then click on I accept, create my account to accept the agreement. Continue with filling your rates, select skills, fill your bio and all your information, then click on save. By the way, you can choose either to show or hide your info publicly or for site members by these privacy drop-downs. Let's browse some projects. Let's select this one and bid on it. That's it for our video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.